Stop by and take a look at the 2023 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, leather seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.